munching on that candy apple. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You know, Justin, they say that certain type of bees are becoming extinct,
Oh
and
yeah.
that would suck for the humans
Yeah, yeah.
because they have to do with something with,
Oh yeah.
with
Damn.
they have to do with the bees. There you go, eat. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum.
This is for serious. I'm
Yeah, you are.
What a ton on that candy apple. I guess we gotta protect our bees somehow.